When you can control that driver behavior behind the wheel, you increase the vehicle's efficiency and you reduce fuel consumption, right? You reduce waste, fuel consumption. So that's one sustainability effort. Plus, it's just a great move because it keeps your drivers safe. The second piece is focusing on idling and miles driven. So reducing idling as much as you can. This data helps you to do that, as well as think about unauthorized use of your assets that might be happening and cutting those miles driven down significantly by managing the times, places, people who are driving your vehicles. I think the third way is then think about the vehicles themselves. Vehicle selection is really important. Lightweighting your vehicles, reducing, recycling, and reusing upfit materials and other materials that you use on your jobs and in your vehicles day to day. So there's many, many ways to reduce your carbon footprint outside of, okay, switching every vehicle to an electric vehicle. We know that's not possible. Mixed fleets are today and mixed fleets are the future. So using data to help you identify which vehicles are ripe for replacement to an EV is the way to go. So that's where you start. You really look at data and operation and drive cycle and